Intro oh, 20 narrator excited, friendly tone. Welcome to Kids Step by Step. In today's roaring episode, we're going back in time to meet the dinosaurs, giant, amazing creatures that lived millions of years ago. Are you ready to learn their names and cool facts? Let's go! Section 1. What are dinosaurs? 50 narrator. Dinosaurs lived a long time ago, even before there were people. They came in all shapes and sizes. Some were big and scary, and some were small and fast. They ruled the land during the time called the Mesozoic era. That's a fancy word for when dinosaurs were the kings and queens of Earth. Section 2. Famous dinosaur names. 52. 30. Now let's meet some of the most famous dinosaurs. Do you know these names? Show bright, fun illustrations or animations of each dinosaur. Tyrannosaurus Rex, also called T-Rex. It had big teeth and tiny arms. It was a strong meat eater. Fun fact, T-Rex could grow as long as a school bus. Triceratops, this one had 3 horns on its head and a big frill behind it. It ate plants and was super strong. Stegosaurus, it had big plates on its back and a spiky tail. Those spikes were like built-in armor to protect itself. Velociraptor, small, smart, and very fast. It could run, jump, and hunt in teams like a dinosaur ninja. Brachiosaurus, so tall with a long neck to reach the top of trees. It was a gentle giant and only ate plants like a dinosaur giraffe. Section 3. Cool dinosaur facts 33. Did you know? Some dinosaurs had feathers, just like birds today. Dinosaurs lived on every continent, even Antarctica. The word dinosaur means terrible lizard, but not all were scary. And guess what? Not all dinosaurs went extinct. Birds are actually modern relatives of dinosaurs. Ending 34. Dinosaurs were incredible creatures from Earth's past, and now you know their names. Which dinosaur was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome learning adventures here on Kids Step by Step.